Welcome to Irvine Fast Stats. In this video, we're going to talk about what's really going on in Irvine Real Estate Market in the month of August. Coming up, hi, I'm Regina Chen. In our Fast Stats, every month we provide you the top number so you can get a quick grasp of what's going on in the visual city or community. All right, now we're inside the Irvine Fast Stats report. This is made available, provided by Orange County Realtor Association of Professionals. If you're first time joining us on the Fast Stats, I just want to quickly explain to you that when we look at all those monthly number, we always break it into two brackets. One is attached home that includes condo, townhome. The other category is detached home, or more commonly known as single family home. I know there's a lot of number, but don't worry, just follow me. We'll focus on those highlighted line items. All right, we'll start with attached home. So in August, in terms of pending sale, that means that those home actually in escrow, under contract. That's the data the real estate expert used to gauge the buyer demand. So in August, the attached home, there are 58 homes under contract. Compared to last August, that's a 34% less. If we look at year to date, that means it's accumulative from January through August. There are a total of 640 homes under contract. So even on the accumulative number term, it's still like 23% lower compared to last year. Closed sales, well, it's pretty straightforward. That's those homes actually sold, transactions completed in August. There are 96 homes compared to last August. Actually, this is 9% higher. But there's always number will fluctuate from month to month. Probably a more meaningful duration or data range is we tend to look at the long term, like the year to date. A month, that's 630 homes closed in the first 8 months. But compared to last year, that's still a 25% less this year compared to the same period last year. Next one we'll look at is the days on market. Just give us a feel like how fast the housing market is moving in month of August, especially for those attached homes. It only takes 22 days. If we look at the year-to-date number, it's average 24 days. So both numbers are pretty fast. It'll take less than a month for those homes stay on the market. Next highlight number we're looking at is average sales price. So in August, the average Irvine attached home is at $1.15 million. If we look at the accumulated number for the 8-month average, will be also around 1.07. Next one I highlighted is percent of list price received. Let me spend some time on this one. This is a ratio. What does that mean? Meaning that those August closed home, their sold price versus the list price. What's the difference? So we saw that's 101.3%. That means on average in August for those condo, townhomes sold at 1.3% higher. If we look at the year-to-date number, it's 101 as well. So I think how we interpret the numbers that overall in Irvine on average for the attached home are still sold above list price. Obviously, there's a huge spectrum because in this the big bucket of attached home, there could range from 1-bedroom through 4-bedroom condo and different price point. But the key main message is like in Irvine, if you're in the market buying, just be aware, understand that market is still, even there weren't a lot of supply, maybe buyer is not as much as when interest rates are lower, but overall market still move fast and you still need to rise strong above list price most of the time. And the last number I'm sharing here, the metric we're looking at is monthly supply of inventory. So as far as attached home concerned, in August, we have only 1.5 month worth of inventory. Historically speaking, that is very low. It's just not many homes available for sale. Next, we're switching gear to see detached home, single family home. The pending sale, which is the indicator for buyer demand, is there are 71 single-family homes under contract in escrow in August. That's 32% less compared to last August. Cumulative 8 months from January through August this year, there's total 732 homes under contract. That's still, again, the 23% lower compared to last year. In terms of closed transaction, there are 133 single-family homes closed in August. That's a 6%, 7% higher than last August. But if you look at the 8-month accumulated number, 718 single-family home, that's 24% less than last year. Days on market for single-family homes, 17 days. That's just slightly over 2 weeks. That's super fast. If you look at the cumulative 8-month average, is next we're looking at the detached home. In terms of closed sales in August, there are 113 homes. That's 6%, 7% higher than last August. But if we look at the cumulative 8-month combined, 718 single-family homes. That's still 24% less compared to last year. And days on market for single-family home, August is only 17 days. That's slightly over 2 weeks. That's moved super fast movement. And we look at the cumulative number, 30 days. Still, it's at 1 month mark. Still, its market is very moving rapidly. Average sales price for single family home in August is at $2.4 million. A cumulative 8 months average is at 2.12, 2.13 million. And compared to last year, that's still a 6 to 7% higher. Then we're looking at the ratio between sold price versus list price. For single family home, seems pretty consistent with what we see with the attached home. It's at 101.3%, meaning that single family home is sold on average 1.3% above list price. Monthly supply of inventory is 1.9 months, less than 2 months. There's just not enough home, or not a lot of home for sale. So that's our reporting on the city level for the month of August. If you have a specific community or neighborhood you are interested in or want to go deeper, make sure you check our other videos. You might find those videos. If you don't find the community or neighborhood you want to know more about, send me a DM. I'll make sure I include that in our next month's video.